Welcome to Kayla's apartment here in Austin, Texas. I want to show you the whole setup. It is so nice. So this first room that we have here is like the family slash living room. And it is a very, I'd say like boho beach vibe. So we have this couch with the pillows and it's like a very tan aesthetic. Super comfortable. I've been sleeping on this couch, by the way, and it is very comfortable. And then we have this table right here. Was this a DIY, Kayla?
Yeah, I actually made this with my dad.
Yeah, so Kayla did a lot of the stuff in here is DIY. So this table was made. It fits so much stuff. As you can see, she's put like a lot of her books in here, a lot of her movies. And it also is a great table to put like your drinks and stuff when you're watching TV. And so speaking of the TV, we do have a nice little TV here on top of this shelf, which I think you painted, right?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, so Kayla painted that, the blue color. She also made these candles. Look how cute they are. She made these. And then of course, Coco is a fellow resident of this place. You know, a little rescue cat. So we have to have our little humble abode. So this is where Coco likes to spend a lot of her day. She also likes to come up here and look outside. And also another thing, Kayla has a bunch of plants. She loves her plants. So we got plants number 1 and 2 over here. Over here, we have a lot of cute little, almost antique looking design. Like, where'd you get these?
I think I got this at like a thrift shop, actually, like a thrift furniture shop.
These postcards are from Hawaii. I remember actually getting them with you. And then, where's this from?
That's also from a thrift at the beach in North Carolina.
And then this is from our friend Aisha, I'm pretty sure.
Mm-hmm.
This lovely little wooden shelf thing is from Facebook Marketplace. And I love all of the decorations that you have in here. Which one's your favorite?
I really like the tea set.
Ooh, yes, look at this tea set. Is this also thrifted?
No, that's from Anthropologie.
Oh, wow. All right, and then over here we have a lovely little chair. Also very comfortable. This is actually where Coco likes to sleep at night. This is like her little sleep chair. And so at night I've been sleeping there and then Coco's just like next to me. It's kind of a vibe.
Yeah, fun fact actually, that's a $400 chair and I got it from a neighbor for 10.
Whoa!
So.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Okay, also I'm a big fan of this thing. It's like a mirror disguised as like decoration, you know? I love how you like placed all of this stuff. And are these pictures that you, like, where are these from?
Oh, so those are actually taken from a photographer in Hawaii. I ordered some prints.
And then this is one of my favorite plants. It's one of the bigger ones that she has. Is this a banana leaf plant?
It's a corn plant.
Oh, a corn plant.
She hates water.
Oh. Okay, also the basket collection. This is super trendy. I think it's very aesthetic.
I actually got those baskets off of Poshmark from a
Seriously?
lady who collects them from antique malls. She sent me a collection and it's multifunctional because that middle basket can also be used for chips and dip.
Whoa! Wait, can you take it off the wall and use it?
Yeah.
Why haven't we done that? This is like the most Kayla thing I've ever seen because of the color. But you didn't make it, did you?
No, I got it as a present for my aunt, actually.
This table, okay, actually both of these tables. Do you want to tell the backstory behind it?
Yeah, so I actually was walking in my neighborhood and a neighbor had been cutting down some of the trees in his yard and I noticed the stump slices and asked if I could have them to make some end tables. And he gave me both of them for free and I primed them. I put an epoxy coat on top and then I put some legs on them and now I have 2 end tables.
That's so cool. Yeah, these are like some of my favorite things ever. If you look up close, they're like actually really glossy too. And then we have a cute little table nook here. I'm assuming you painted this yourself?
Yeah, I did. So both the desk and the table I actually found beside my dumpster at my apartment complex. So I've got them both for free. I reupholstered the chair and then painted it. It used to be gray and the cushion was really gross.
Nice.
And the table, I just had to put together. I just got some screws from Home Depot and yeah, I got both of those for free.
And if it's a lot of stuff in here, and then there's like some decorations, some plants on top, you know. Oh shoot, okay, we didn't even talk about this entryway table. First of all, this mirror.
There's an antique mall in Austin, and I found it there. And then the table I actually got off of Wayfair. It was like a gray color and I really hated it, so I painted it green.
Wait, and then did you make this?
No, I got that from the same thrift shop that I got the window pane from.
Because this is like a straight up like lamp in a log. Like it's very one with nature. We love the interplay with nature.
Yeah, it's a piece of driftwood from North Carolina.
Okay, and then we also have some artsy magazines on the table. We got Hailey Bieber. We got Olivia Rodrigo. So we're very trendy over here. We have a little blanket basket. I feel like every family room needs one of these blanket baskets because it always gets cold for no reason. And then you have blankets to offer your guests. All right, so over here we have a little nook, which Kayla's working on turning into kind of like a cozy reading nook. So over here there's gonna be like either like a bar stool thing or like a bookshelf, something like that. But I love this corner couch. Again, super comfortable, great for reading. We have this cute calendar decoration over here. And again, my favorite part about this apartment is honestly the wall decoration, because just look how good everything goes together. Like everything just matches. Kayla, you painted this one.
Yep.
And this one.
Yep. And the green one.
And this one, yeah. So Kayla
and then
painted
I pressed that flower right there,
gosh,
actually.
Like, these are basically all you, except for this is from Target.
Yeah.
But like pretty much everything else she made. What's the story behind this?
So this is an antique crystal waterfall lamp that I actually got from a local thrift store called Room Service Vintage, and they sold a set of them for $90. They're actually worth close to $400. So I got them for a major steal.
Oh my god, what about this?
And then this is just like a little, yeah.
Whoa!
And then that's a marble top table I found on Facebook Marketplace.
Solid.
Yep.
And then here's like some of Coco's toys, accessories, Coco's food. And then we have the kitchen. Kayla says the kitchen's her least favorite part of the whole place. She actually just did get renovated cabinets though, so if you like look at all of these, they're like pretty much brand new. I love that they're white. It's like a very clean look. So plenty of storage, which I think is awesome. And then we just have the classics. You know, you do have your oven.
Dishwasher.
Oh, sorry. We have her little toaster oven thing. Okay, this stove works very well. I will have to say it heats up very fast. Just, you know, the fridge, the microwave, a classic kitchen, the oven, has all the appliances you need. So, you know, that's the kitchen. Let's go to the bedroom. The bedroom is also one of my favorite parts. First of all, can we talk about how big it is? I feel like this bedroom is huge. It is very matchy with the family room, I'd say. Again, the boho beach vibe. How would you describe it?
Yeah, I think
Boho
that.
beach, right?
Yeah, I'm kind of going for like a more of like a antique, like Art Deco look in here. But it's a slow transition.
No, I see that though. So the bed, first of all, super comfortable. I love the assortment of pillows. Like they all match very well. I think these big ones are my favorite. Where's this from?
A Target.
I love those two pillows. Ashley Furniture, I love the color of it. I think it's very clean looking. Kind of like, I don't know, like this with that gives me a very forest, like magical, enchanted vibe. And notice how this matches the entryway table color. Oh, this mirror.
Yeah.
A great antique find, right?
Yeah, I actually found that on Facebook Marketplace. Someone was selling it for $20.
I could see this literally in an art museum. I'm not even kidding. Oh, also, these pots are painted by Kayla. I can't even with this creativity. She painted that. What is that?
It's like a pedestal.
This also looks like it belongs in an art museum. We have a lot of plants. We have more plants over here, more plants right here. And then more artwork. Did you do those too?
I did 2 of those.
Wait, did you implement this thing? This photo thing?
Yeah, so it's a hanging shelf. I got that from Target.
And then this thing, so it looks like it was something that was super expensive from like Urban Outfitters, right? But Kayla actually made this. You know, we got the wood stick and we got yarn. So honestly, this is a great DIY idea if you want to make something but don't want to purchase it for like $80. I think this is a great idea. We had this at our place since college and Kayla just like took it with her after. And like this is so nice. It goes with everything and it fits so much stuff. So this is like kind of like a display shelf. We got the Disney ears, we got the cat ears, you know. Over here in this corner we have miscellaneous things like the guitar, a lap desk, Coco's carrier thing. Okay, but I want to talk about this dresser because it like matches the headboard first of all. And then second of all, it has so many drawers. Like if I had this, I could fit so much clothes in here.
It was a set from Ashley Furniture.
Oh, so this came with the headboard?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Wait, did this mirror come with the dresser?
Yeah.
A place to get ready in the morning. You know, you have all your makeup, the accessories, the perfume. I love how there's some seashells. This is the beach vibe I'm talking about. Is this from North Carolina?
Yeah.
All of these seashells, I'm assuming you found?
Mm-hmm.
Dang. Guys, get a close-up of all these seashells. So Kayla's from North Carolina, so there's like some cool beaches there, and then she just found all of these. Honestly, if you know Kayla, this is like her signature design. Like she makes mason jars designed like this, and I think they're so cool. She has 2 closets, which I'm very jealous of because she can fit so much stuff in both of these. And then this, oh, we got this, okay, so she got that in Hawaii last time we went at one of like the vendors on the street. And then this one, I think you crocheted this, right, yourself?
Yeah, I embroidered it.
Embroidered, yeah, that's so cool. This little thing is a little bookshelf, and I'm assuming you painted it?
Yeah, it's super easy to make. I just got 2 crates from Michael's and I nailed them together and then put some planks on top of it to make a little shelf.
And then we have a fuzzy carpet, which I love. And then 2 little bins to like store stuff.
These bins are from, I think I got them at like Ross. And then the rug is from Pier 1.
Coco's litter is here, you know, it's gotta go somewhere, so that's where it is for now. Bathroom. Okay, so we even got plants in the bathroom. We have this lovely plant right here, and we have more plants right here. I really like this hanging one. I think it's very cute. But yeah, so first of all, the shower curtain is one of my favorite things. I think this is a very beach like coral, but also has the blue and white aesthetic going on. Bed Bath & Beyond, if you're looking for something like that. This little soap container, that's super cute. There's a little basket that even has a shell in it. So the beach theme is continuing on over here. And Kayla painted this herself, which honestly, it like matches this plant. So everything.
It is that plant. This is my Monstera.
Exactly. And then we have a cute little towel basket down here as well, which is great for guests. The other cool thing about Kayla's apartment is that there's an outdoor area and there's like a pool, so I'm gonna show you. Let's go see the outdoors. There's like this courtyard in the middle here, and it's like for all the residents, and there's like a cute little pool, and like there's little chairs that you can sit on, like an umbrella. So I just think it's super cozy. I love the whole setup of the whole apartment. Love the embroidery on these things. And then even out here, look, Kayla has a chair, and I feel like the neighbors, they like to like sit out here and talk, so like everyone just has their old chairs outside. We have more plants. I really like this thing that she has on her door. Oh shoot, is that a bee? Alright guys, so that was the tour of Kayla's apartment here in Austin, Texas. I love the way she decorated it. I hope you got some inspiration if you're looking to like redecorate your room. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you in the next one.